How does one apply for a diplomatic passport?
Hello, and welcome to this video on how to apply for a diplomatic passport. Today, we'll be breaking down the process step by step so you can easily understand what's required.
What is a diplomatic passport?
A diplomatic passport is a special type of passport issued to diplomats, consular officers, and their eligible family members. It grants them certain privileges and protections while traveling on official government business.
Who is eligible for a diplomatic passport?
To be eligible for a diplomatic passport, you must be 1. A diplomat or consular officer representing your country abroad. 2. A high-ranking government official on official travel. 3. An eligible family member of a diplomat or consular officer.
How do I apply for a diplomatic passport?
Step 1. Gather the necessary documents before applying. You'll need the following. 1. Proof of citizenship, birth certificate, national ID, etc. 2. Proof of diplomatic or consular status, letter from your government agency. 3. Passport-sized photographs, usually 2, 4. Application form, provided by your government. Step 2. Complete the application form. Fill out the application form provided by your government agency. Ensure you provide accurate and complete information. Step 3. Submit the application. Submit your application form along with the required documents to the designated government office or embassy. You may need to book an appointment in advance. Step 4. Wait for processing. Processing times vary, but expect to wait several weeks for your diplomatic passport to be issued.
What are the benefits of a diplomatic passport?
Some benefits of a diplomatic passport include 1. Easier travel with fewer visa requirements. 2. Diplomatic immunity in certain circumstances. 3. Access to diplomatic channels at airports. That's it. Now you know how to apply for a diplomatic passport. Remember, this type of passport is only for those on official government business, and misuse can lead to penalties. Safe travels and happy diplomacy.